Hello, good morning, afternoon, good evening, good middle of the night, whenever you're watching this. We are going to be looking at this awesome blade. This is the Yeti by Sam Farnsworth at Firekeeper Forge. It is 80 CRV2. I believe it's not quite sure what scale material this is, but the pins on it are a micarta, which I've never seen that before this. And this is a very fun blade. Also, the sheath is Positive Made Leathercraft by Dave Pouzon. It has a belt loop, or you could do it baldric style as well. And what's really cool with this is the buckle here has got this elastic on it, so you can snap it, it goes out of the way. This thing is a dreamy knife in a dreamy sheath. So you may see some footage that's going to jump around a little bit. That's because the footage I filmed looking at the different uses for this took place over several months. Usually I like to do videos all at in one day, but just things happen and I didn't get to it. This does look a little beat up because I have been using it. Oh, also this is a false edge up here, but it can be made scratchable, should we say. If you want to put some work into it, yeah, it can be a real edge. So let's get some specs on this. Okay, the weight on this is 739 grams, which is also 1.63 pounds. Now, we are looking at a blade length here of about 11 and maybe a third of an inch. All the way to the handle, you are going to be looking at just under 13 inches, so 12 3/4 inch. Overall length, 18 inches. Tallness is 2 inches there, just a smidge under 2 inches there. So you see it does have a slight recurve, and then the width is about 1/4 of an inch. This thing is a beast. So let's take this puppy out, put it to some use, and then come back with some thoughts about it.
Okay, here we have the Yeti by Sam Farnsworth of Firekeeper Forge versus the coconut. Yeah, pretty good. And not a bit of edge damage. Holy cow.
Firekeeper. Just clearing out some overgrowth from the trail. this one. The Yeti Sam Farnsworth Firekeeper Forge. Good chopper, good batoner, good delimber and machete style. Not great at throwing the sparks though from the ferro rod unless you use the full swedge up here, but then that's not really very controllable if you're doing it like that. I guess you could do the old thing where you stick it in the wood and pull back on that, it would be fine, but it's about the only way this is going to throw sparks. But I mean, overall, good knife. So that's it for that blade. Thank you again for joining me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Join me for more videos in the future, and remember, get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.